Alright guys, welcome back to Year-Round Gaming. We are back at Barents Sea Fishing Simulator. We finally have enough, just barely, to buy the next boat. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and the sharkin. Let's see, it's an extra 10 feet. It weighs a little bit more. Quota's a lot more. Alright, let's buy it. Bye. Supports net fishing. You can purchase this at the port. Sharkin also supports up to one crew member who can assist you with tasks on the boat. Find someone to hire at the bars of various ports. I have $3,000. I cannot afford a crew right at this moment in time. And I'm not going to borrow any money because that would just be silly at this point. I've got all our hooks out right now. No, I don't. They came with 2 more hooks. Oh. Yeah, what the heck. We'll run those out. But I don't see any net because I don't have enough money to buy. I don't even have enough money for that. Yep, gutting table. Net haulers, 20,000. So we can get that with the next fish that I have. Let's see. I've got 11 hours. I've got 2 more lines I'm going to run out. So I'm going to come out here, and here. And let's go fishing. Oh, listen to that diesel. That's a little bit more than Grandpa's old boat right there. It seems a little faster too. Maybe not. Alright, let's skedaddle here. Let's see. Yeah, I got a lot of way to go with this boat. Boy, she does scoot right along, doesn't she? 15 knots. I do like it, I do like it. So we'll go out, we'll dump these 2 lines that we have. And they're short lines, but they're lines nonetheless. Fishing has not been good. It's been a slow grind to get to this boat. I was making really good money, and then like the fish just disappeared, gone. So let's remove that waypoint. And sorry about the noise. Then I'll come out here and hopefully we'll find some fish here in the sonar, drop these nets. And I did not hire anybody because I've got no money. Drop this. So I'll be running in the long lines and gutting like I've been doing. Alright. God, I love the sound of that idling. It truly sounds like an old diesel clunking away. Alright, we'll just keep plugging along here until we find some more fish. And yeah, I was fishing a good spot up north, but boy, did it ever just go to pot. Guess I was overfishing it. It's a good possibility. Because I was right here, and I was fishing strong. I really need to just get out here more, find some more fishing spots. But, yeah. I could probably travel out here too. Let's come down here. And, God, we still got 13 hours. That's a long time. So, let's do a little fast traveling. Out to the edge. I don't have a very good radar on this boat because I didn't have any money. I was broke. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't look like I have any radar at all. That's unfortunate. So it's not going to discover... Nope. Okay. So we'll come back here. And hopefully... Oh gosh, we're not even close. We'll go back. Hey. Go back. And back. We're going to eat up some time and burn a lot of fuel. Oh, we still got 2 more hours. Place. Burn up the time, burn up a lot of diesel. Okay, we're close. We are close. Oh god, I love the sound of that diesel idling. I'm a diesel fan though. Okay, so we'll just mosey on over close to this line. And hopefully we'll move on to nets. We get enough money, we can buy the net hauler, sell our lines, buy some nets. Hopefully the nets aren't too expensive. God, it's close. A few minutes. This boat definitely looks a lot nicer than Grandpa's boat. God, Grandpa's boat was a turd. I mean, it paid the bills, but goodness gracious. Alright, here we go. And haul. Perfect. I like perfects. Looks like he flung that straight out of the container. Nope, it's in there. Dang, I don't get this many perfects very often. Must be the boat. Wow. Happy. Ah, messed it up. I had a good roll going on too. Boy, this boat sure is a lot nicer. Ah, curses. Really hope that the fishing kind of comes back. And I tell you what, our fishing went to crap. We were bringing in some good hauls on these lines, and then it just went to pot. So I don't know what the deal is. See, it's still not fantastic. I mean, they're all right. 1,200's not great. We were bringing in like 3,000 per line, 3,000 kilograms. Oh, I hate gutting. I'm not good at gutting. Come on. If there's one thing they could fix about this simulator, it's the gutting. I hate the gutting. Get punished for stupidity is my idea. Because some of them, it's just simply impossible. You know, these ones aren't bad. Like that one. But some of them are just simply impossible. Let's skedaddle on down. 1,200 kilograms. Hopefully the net fishing brings in bigger numbers. Because, man, the grind with this line fishing is no fun. Not at all. Hopefully we do well enough here with these lines to get into net fishing. I'm not sure. I know it's 20 grand for the net hauler, but I don't know how much the nets cost. I know the 500 meter long lines are like 20 grand a piece, so the nets may be similar. I think there's different size nets and such. This boat is a million times better than Grandpa's boat. It moves better. It's got much more power. Alright, let's see. 14. The fact there's 14 fish on the line, that's a good thing. If it means that we're actually going to do well, I haven't the faintest of ideas. But it's a good sign. That it is. These were baited with mackerel, I believe. We're going for haddock is what we're going for. To the 31st, they're paying a little more for it. Although I didn't look at the date. I hope we didn't go over the 31st. Boy, that looked like that fish just went flying, didn't it? See that? It just bounces right along. Perfect. I wish I could do that with all of them. I watch some guys on YouTube that just hit perfects every single time. It's like, you guys have a gift. My hand-eye coordination is not good enough to do that. Redfish. Now, see, that's a pretty good haul. It's not the best, but that was a good haul. I'd be happy if I could get those kind of hauls all the time. Ooh, I'd be happy if I can gut like that all the time, too. That'd be phenomenal. Come on, no. You know, I've gutted a lot of fish in my life. I've done a lot of fishing. I've never had this much trouble gutting damn fish. Never. Even with a dull knife. Granted, I'm gutting trout and carp, but come on now. Can't be that difficult. Let's see. 1,700 free. We got 11 hours on that line. That's 11 hours. I just have one line there? No. 7 hours. That's one line. Where's my other line at? Did I leave it on the boat? Must have left it on the last boat. Because I had 4 500 hook lines. And I thought I dumped them all right here. But evidently I didn't. I must have just dumped one of them. That doesn't make any sense. I wonder why I only dumped one. Okay, whatever. Let's go back to port and fast travel. And let's go sell our fish and see what we get. Hopefully we can do some net hauling. Like I said, I don't know the full cost ramifications of that, but we will see. So, 60,000. Okay, we're going to try the net haul. Let's go here. Upgrades. Let's... Oh, I really want to... I'm going to do the radar. I know I probably shouldn't, but I'm going to. Net hauler, 20 grand. Let me go here. The nets. You know what? I'm going to buy one. Let's start off with 2. I don't know. Oh, crap. I need to hire somebody, too. Shit. Did I save enough? I did. I'm going to hire Sander Peterson. He is not very good at much, but he's got lots of energy, which is good. Means we can use the heck out of him. What's at the bar? No jobs. I don't want any jobs anyways. Oh my god, we can have boat insurance now? Wow, 60% of the boat. Does this mean if I sink the dang thing? Huh. Never thought about it. I might just sink it. Oh god, I need to fuel this girl up. This is like twice what it was costing us to fill up Grandpa's boat. Alright. Let's go do some fishing. I don't know what kind of fish we're fishing for. It's the end of August. Turn. Girl. No, past the jetty. There you go. Sail. Where's that? Fence? Here we go. August, the haddock season. I guess I can keep up on the haddock. Let's go. Where's my crew? Why don't you cook some, buddy? Where are we gonna set these nets at? That's got 12 hours. I'd really like to set the all species. Maybe I should set them here. I want to set some up here too. Let's start right here, since we have no experience yet with nets. And let's look at sonar. And I guess I'm just gonna toss a net down. I don't really know. Oh, that's right. You gotta keep this thing straight. I forgot about that. Totally forgot about that. I bought the biggest nets. I hope I don't regret that. I didn't upgrade any storage. I may regret this decision. I don't know. I don't know. I didn't really read up. I don't know how much fish I can catch with the 165 meter. It's a big net. That's for sure. It's a big freaking net. Tell you what, old buddy here's not very good at cooking. I think he'd make a burger by now. Okay. Let's get scooting on. What's he doing cooking out here anyhow? Shouldn't he be cooking down in the galley? Okay. Let me look at this. It's not good to see. This. Yeah, we're gonna go. I'm gonna wait till I get here. Drop another one. God, this boat cooks. This is fantastic. And sonar. Yeah, we got some fish. We got some. Yeah, I'm gonna dump it here. I hope I don't regret getting those big long nets. I didn't even think about it. I just went bigger is better. That may have not been the best of ideas. I hope I can still pull my lines up now that I've installed the net hauler. I don't see the line haul here anymore. That may be tragic. I may have just screwed myself on that. I don't know. I don't see. It's not equipped for the line haul. That's not. I'm gonna have to go back and re-equip the line haul. I wonder if I'll lose the net hauler. All things we've got to learn. God, this thing goes on forever. There we go. Okay. When is this due? Soon. So go back. I don't want to lose these lines. Come on. Come on, boat. Let me just see if I can re-equip the line hauler. And go pick my lines up. I'm hoping I can go and just reattach my line hauler. Yes. Okay, beautiful. So let's go pick up our lines. Yes. Start. Start. Uh-oh. I broke it. There we go. Motor started. So let's go pick up our lines that we still got in the water. Then we'll come back and reattach the net hauler and go pick up the nets that we just dropped. So let's go. Oh, come on. It's got 2 hours left on. And it's got a few hours. So let's just burn up some fuel. Oh, we got another hour. I'm really good at this fuel burning situation. Okay, now they're close. Is this gonna make a burger yet? Jesus. It's gonna take all day. You've had all that time. Makes a meal every 5 hours. Takes them 5 hours to cook a burger? Dude, you need to get better at that cooking business. Seriously, I want you to haul this line in. See how you do. Although I may just haul it in. Yeah, I'm gonna haul it in. 'Cause you, sir, can't cook for beans. Hope you can gut better than you can cook. Looks like a little bit better. Didn't know I'd have to do all this work still myself. They won't let me cook. I know I can cook it faster than 5 hours. And perfect. Only 9 fish on this line. That is not as good. Why, oh why, has this happened to us? Hopefully the nets do better. This longline fishing just turned into a real pain in the rear. It really, really has. But this will be the last times we run lines. So, unless of course we do even worse with the net fishing, we might go back to line fishing. I doubt it. I doubt net fishing is going to be that worse. Oh my gosh, we did terrible. No, I'll let Buddy here. Oh my god, that's terrible. All right, you know what? You get the gut because you can't even cook a burger. Fast travel. Well, you gutted it all. Let him finish his burger. How much time? 16. Oh, have mercy. Go here and back. Fast travel. Oh my god. We're gonna do that again. Oh my goodness. One more hour. I'm just burning fuel for no reason. Alright, you know what? Let's get this. Oh look, he finally made a burger. God, well, that's not a burger. I'm not sure what that is. Let's go pick up these lines. And boy, I barely made a dent in the boat. It's 176 kilograms. Wow. We're gonna make some money here. Not even gonna pay for the fuel it took to come out here and get it. Oh, Lord have mercy. Like I said, the line fishing's dead. At least in my experience. I could be doing it wrong, but I was doing fine. I was doing very fine. So I'd like in this episode to at least get the net fishing. That would be ideal. Wow, he just caught that, didn't he? Way to go, buddy. Look at all the fish on there. That's cool. He missed. Beautiful. This is exactly why I pay him. He missed the darn fish. And he missed the fish again. Why do I pay this guy? Are you for real? And he missed again. Why did I hire him? What is he good at? I feel like I'm getting ripped off. Oh, whoa, he got an okay. Oh, just lost the entire fish line, but you know, that's all right. You gotta be kidding me. That's disappointing as hell. I can tell you what. He missed. Oh, yeah. I didn't even do that bad when I started, and I did pretty bad. Old Sander here is not making me a happy camper. Long line hauling. He's actually pretty good on his list of things he can do. Miss. I'm going to get like 100 kilograms. I'm not going to get nothing out of this. Oh, he's missing every fish. Oh my gosh. This is miserable. This was a good line too. I think I'm doing the next line. Oh my god, he missed another one. What did he get? He got 400. I'm so disappointed. Wow. That's sickening. That just makes me want to puke. That could have actually been some decent fish, but he missed well over half of them. Oh my gosh. Employees suck. That's sickening. Just makes me want to vomit. Just sit there and watch as we die. Alright, I'm going to this one. Please be a good line. I just don't understand how he missed so many of them. I mean, he missed half the line. I mean, that could have been double. That could have been at least 800 to 1,000 kilograms. Let's just hope he does better at net holding. But he may suck at that too. Who knows? I'm disappointed now. That very much disappoints me. Not that it's your guys' fault, but it is disappointing to say the least. That wasn't bad. Let him gut. He's probably screwing that up too. See if he could stay out of here, because the price here, negative 30, negative 10, plus 10, plus 30, plus 50. If he can keep around here, I'd be happier. Pig in shit, man. God, that's sickening. Alright, let's do a little fast traveling back to port. Hopefully, you can actually get those fish gutted. Not even close. This guy. He's a worse gutter than I am. Okay. Rest. And I'll gut. complained about him. Red. Oh, come on, you piece of junk. All right, let's go. I did terrible. I guess I shouldn't throw rocks. All right, let's go. Sell this junk. Switch over to net hauling. And hope he's resting. Long line hauling. 35,000. He cost me 350. He wasn't even worth that. All right, fuel this girl up. 2,000 krona. I need to net haul. Yes. I don't like this. The searchlights in here suck. All right. Let's see. We could upgrade the engine or upgrade this. No, we can't upgrade the engine. But we can upgrade storage. And we're going to do that. Yes. And then we're going to go... Get out of here. And we're going to go here. And we're actually going to be crazy and buy... How much are these things? One more. I have no reason to buy another one. Don't even know how much I'm going to get from the ones I have. But we're going to go dump this and see what happens. I think these have to sit in the ground, or in the ground, in the water as long as all the others. 18 hours, yeah, I'm pretty sure. I'm going to set it right here. There-ish. Let's look at sonar. Let's get some speed up. Come on, little doggy. You can do it. And I guess I just have to dump this net down. I see some fishes. Like right now. There's 3 fishies. I'm really kind of disappointed in that working helpers in this game. I feel like I really got ripped on that. I really do. Why the heck is he cooking out on deck? Doesn't this thing have a... You'd think this thing would have a galley. I mean, it's not a big boat, but jeez. It doesn't have to be a very big galley either. That's all I gotta say. Alright, I'd really like to at least haul in one net before this episode's over. Or maybe we'll just make it a long video. What is it gonna hurt? Not gonna hurt nobody. Actually, one of my favorite, well, I don't know, favorite, yeah, I'll use favorite. I've been watching for years, Bill's T-Max. Back when he would work on the cemetery, I used to watch a lot of his videos. And I like Bill a lot, but he can be, sometimes makes you frustrated when you watch him play video games. You just want to reach through the computer screen. No, Bill, this is how you do it. But I like him a lot. He's a heck of a good guy. Heck of a good guy. 12 hours. That's a long. You know what I'm going to do? What does this thing do out here? Fast travel. I'm curious what kind of swath this thing makes when I go out into the unexplored. Seems like it's a pretty good little swath there. Yeah, doesn't look bad actually. Seems like it's doing pretty good. kind of hoping that I can open up some new fishing holes. We got 13. Yeah, we got some time. We'll just run out here for a ways. And then hopefully find some new fishing holes, because our fishing holes we've been using are dead. Not putting out near the numbers they were. But part of that might be the season, although I don't know. New fishing holes couldn't hurt. I've pulled a lot of fish out of those holes. So if we can run out here and find some new fishing holes, that would be, see, we got, look up here. Looks like we got some fishing possibly. Up yonder. That's always a good thing. Always good to find new fishing holes. Hidey holes all over the place. I wish it showed the fish on this map here, but it doesn't. That would be all too convenient. Let's see. Pretty sure. Yeah. Right there. Find us a new fishing hole. Fish. Now I'm thinking the nets just catch everything. Get a little bit of whatever's out there, so can't really target a specific species of fish. You can just bring in everything. And then I'm really kind of anxious. I can't wait to get on moving up and get up to do some trawling. Watched some good videos of trawling lately, and makes me interested. All species. Okay. 14 hours. So let's go back and then back here. Let's see what happens. 17 hours. He made a head of lettuce. Good for you, Sander. I'm impressed. Not really. He's getting faster cooking. It was 5 hours. Now he's like to 3.3. He learns quick. That's a plus. All right. 17 hours. Let's get this to 18. Close. Aha. There we go. All right. We're going to put him on net haul. Oh, look at that. He's popping out the food now. He's better at cooking than he is at anything else. That'd be the kind of fisherman I got. The one that's better at cooking. I can cook, but I can't do anything else. That's for darn sure. Now, the little mini game here with net hauling, I've never done. So hopefully I don't mess up these nets too bad. Like I said, I've watched some videos, but hopefully I don't screw it up. Watching videos and doing it are two different things. Alright, come on. Grab it. Yes. Alright. A-W-S. Ooh. That was close. W-A-A-W. Maybe I won't have to actually say it. Looks like there's only 6 here. I don't know what that relates to in poundages. I was worried about the minigame, but it seems pretty self. Oh, yes! Yes! You, gut. We gotta go back. Oh my gosh. That is how you do it. Holy Batman. That's some serious fish right there. Alright, we'll let him gut, and he's not great at it, but... Alright, now... back and cook them. Actually, I'll gut the rest of the fish. He'll get better at gutting, but I don't have the time. I'm too impatient. Ah! Maybe he's actually better at it than I am. I'm not sure. I've done a lot of practicing, but that doesn't mean I'm any good at it. Oh. Let's get this done and sold to get more storage. Go pick up that other net I got in the ground. Evidently, the big nets are more than enough to fill. I don't know how much we had to toss overboard. It never tells us that. I could have done the math and figured out how much we brought in, but I didn't. God, I'm not very good at gutting. But it is much faster for me to gut than it is to have him gut. Ah, wow. Glitch Central. Okay, let's go sell this fish. And then we'll go pick up that other one. Oh, no, well, if we got the money, we're going to upgrade to the next storage. That's what we're going to do. That's the plan. Plan of attack. Oh, I'm starting. This is invigorating. To actually catch some freaking fish after not catching anything for so long. Alright. Sell. Woo! 109. I haven't seen 109,000 in a long time. So we'll buy more storage. We're not going to buy an engine upgrade because we need fuel. We'll go ahead and fix the boat just for good measure. We're going to go fishing. Alright, let's go pick up our other haul. This guy wants us to eat healthy and everything. What the heck? I think I hired the wrong guy. I need someone that can... Okay. Map. Yeah, this line is ready. Remove. Hopefully I didn't let it sit too long. Alright. He's not doing it. But we gotta pull this line in. There it is. So we'll pull this line in, we'll set a line here, and then we'll slow down. I gotta concentrate here. I don't want to mess up my nets. I think we're gonna be full again. Oh, darn it, I messed up the net on that. Dang it. See? That's what happens when I try to talk. I need to concentrate here. Hopefully it's not too expensive to fix the nets. Hopefully. Yep, we are full. Wow. No, I want Buddy here. So, I think we're gonna probably just turn around and set another net here. Wowzers. That's incredible. This is totally different kind of fishing. Totally different. Yes, it is. Alright, so let's drop another net. Not the one that I messed up. So let's drop this net. Go sell the fish we have. And, boy, it's a little rough out here. Wow. How'd this ocean get so dang rough? That I don't know. We've got some serious fish in our sonar, though, don't we? Jesus. Come on. I hope that guy gets faster at gutting. I hate gutting. Maybe I did get too big a net. That's a good possibility. Distinct possibility. Make sure I fill the boat every time. That's for sure. Alright, so we'll go sell this fish. Hopefully. Alright. When is this line coming? 10 hours. That gives us enough time to get in here and fix a net. This whole boat's sitting a little lower in the water now. She's full. I didn't even pay attention. Oh, stop. Stop. He didn't gut. I wasn't even paying attention. Kill the engine. Do some gutting. That was pretty good. I wish I could do that all the time. Oh, you turd. Yeah, that one wasn't very good. I don't know what these circles are, if they're supposed to be magnets throwing you off or what, but they really do suck. I mean, high quality suck. Then you get some that are just darn near impossible. Big old redfish right here. He's a fatty. Come on. Curse you. All right. And 300. Maybe this might be our last one, maybe not. Nope. Come on. Oh, turd. Okay, let's go sell this fish. Is she done resting? I'm not sure how I feel about Sander Peterson here. He is taking his time. But he's a cooker. I'm a cooker by the end of the day. Alright. Sell 147,000. That is looking good. Let's buy fuel. Repair our hull. Get more storage. Just by the hair of the chinny chin chin. Good lord. And then fish market. I need to fix there. Okay. Let's look at the map. We've got a few hours, so I think I'm going to just set 2 for now on. But we'll see. Keep an extra in case I break it. Could set one up here. Now, I think I'm going to just sleep it off. That's 12, 5 hours. Let's sleep her off for 5 hours. Don't think there's anything else that I need. Don't want to hire somebody. I could hire somebody else, I think. Nope, I can't. So, I'll keep who I got. Let's sleep it off for 5 hours. Yes. And then let's go fishing. Let's cook some more there, Sander. I'm gonna make you a professional cook by the end of the day. Alright. Let's go. No. Alright. We need to kill a bit more time. That'll work. Okay. Oh, you know what we could have done? What we're gonna do? Back to sonar. Speed this thing up. Go set up a net. Oh, look at that. Find some fishies. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. Well, I sure don't see many fish. Let's come around here. Whoa! I'm gonna set this line. Probably not the best of ideas I've ever had. Yeah. Not a whole lot of fish right here. I'm gonna have to spread out some more. That's alright. I hope I don't cross my line up. Oh no, I hope that doesn't mess it up. I'm gonna cross this net. Let's hope it's not really that realistic. Because that would be disastrous. I'd lose 2 lines. 2 nets, excuse me. That wouldn't be good. It's not a good idea. Let's just hope it's a game. Right? Right. Come on, little boat. You can do it. Yeah, I'm not controlling the throttle. It's trying to control the speed. There we go. I love how it just flies. Okay. Put him in net hauling. We're going to go pick up this other line. It's good. Hope we didn't totally mess up. Come on. Slow down. Yeah, the seas are definitely rougher. Yes. Okay, here we go. Don't mess it up. Alright. So, for anybody watching, here in the next week or so, I'm going to make up some intros and outros for our videos. We haven't done that yet. I'm working on making them right now. We're also working on a better logo for our channel, YAG. We are full. Excellent. No. We're going to have Sander do his terrible gutting. So, yeah, we're going to try to make our videos look a little better. I know that's not as easy said as it's done, but we're going to try to make them better. Alright, let's fast travel. Kill the engine. Go sit down. I'll gut the fish. 290. You suck. I know. Everybody says if you just let him do it, he'll get faster. Too impatient for that. Far too impatient. Yeah, I could go take a nap and let him work for a few hours and get him better. In fact, I probably should. But I'll just do the gutting. But even if I'm terrible at it. It's just so much faster. Even if I'm not getting 3 stars. That was 3 stars. See, it even takes me a while to gut this full boat now. Because this boat, we've really maxed this. I don't know, did we max the storage out yet? I don't know. I'll have to look. Ah! You turd. So we'll, let me know if you guys want me to film every episode of gameplay for money, or if you just want me to film a couple in each boat series and move on up. I know a lot of people on YouTube been doing that. If you like to watch the fishing over and over, let me know. I've got no problem doing it. I got to do the fishing to make the money. So if that's what you want to do, let me know, and we will do it. I'll record every time I play. It doesn't. It's no extra work for me. Just a little bit of editing and posting. But I can do it if you want to watch it. That's not a problem. So let's go sell this fish and figure out how much we make. Make sure that we're fully upgraded in our storage. 174,000. Fill up the fuel tank. Storage is full, so we can upgrade motors, or we could just hang on to our money for the next boat, which not gonna tell us how much it costs. Maybe $1.9 million. So maybe we'll speed the motors up a bit. We seem to be making money pretty good, so let's just make the motors a little more oomphy. If oomphy's a word. Alright. I think that'll do it for this week, and I will be back next week. We'll do some more fishing Barents Sea. Bye!